Hello, I am going to talk about websites or website. Let's begin. This is a website from ITC Plumbing and Heating, a random website I found from a business. This is it. Not sure. Okay, what I'm going to be doing is just pointing out problems, issues, and maybe good things as well about it. So, one good thing is that they actually have a navigation bar. Most people don't, but that's helpful. They have an about us, a contact us, and things that they do, and homepage. That's good. Not sure why there's a big space above the logo. That already makes no sense. Anyways, let's move on. This is a hero section. I am not sure why it's so big. It's very big. There's just way too much space, and the amount of text that is here, it's not good. It's very not good. Though this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I think I'm not actually sure what this was made by. Um, Wix or someone, or I think it's a template, possibly. Wait a second. Let me check again. Maybe. Not sure. Anyway, this is good. This is an actual quite good thing. Just for images blurry. Well, images are blurry, I think. That one's fine. This image isn't. Anyway, there's no need, because I've tested this website obviously before. There is absolutely no need to have this, because it doesn't do much. Unless if you want to add that. I've never added it in my websites, but it's fine. Doesn't do anything. No harm or anything. Okay, I do like the contrast here between the two sections. That's very smart. That's smart. It doesn't make everything look very plain and empty. Here is just some stuff. Not sure what on earth this is. I think these are meant to be links. Yes, these are meant to be links. But it's a plus icon. I don't know what this is meant to do. It seems like an admin thing. You're meant to add an image here, something. Maybe this will lead. No. No. So not. So this is a very useless section. Well, except from just display to the user what they do, and that's it basically. And then just have some random images and links that don't work. Then, okay, wait a second. This is the about us. I think it's fine. Normally I see websites about like this about us section should be first. But all right, fine, fine. This is good. They have providing blah blah blah. Voted 20. Yep. Okay. Fully trained, high qualified. Blah 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 blah. We know how. Yep. 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 This is fine. There should be a full stop here though. Not sure why there isn't. Does this link work? No, it doesn't. They don't even have. Wait a second. All right. Doesn't matter. They don't even have a. Oops. That's really bad. Alright, they don't have an about us page. That's not exactly good. What even was it? It's not found. It doesn't even exist. Possibly the link isn't correct. By the way, guys, ignore this. Ignore this like bar thing. This is not the website. It's just my stupid computer or whatever it's doing. I'm not sure why this is happening. Okay, so they have a newsletter here. I bet it doesn't work because this is definitely a template. And as you can see, the links just don't work. They could have used it. I'm not even sure if they have a Facebook or Twitter. Possibly have a Facebook. Don't know what rebrand is. I clicked on it. Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't exist. Okay, nice. They haven't updated the copyright thing from 2014. That's very bad. So they've basically just uploaded the website and forgot about it. This is good. They added the stuff. Address, yes, this is very important. Same with this. Email us. That works. That's, well, actually, I'm not even sure if that works. I don't know if I want to show you guys. Alright, wait a second. Let me just check. I actually haven't tested this. Oh no, it actually does work. Customer care at ITC Plumbing. Wow. Okay, that's a surprising thing. Compared to the entire website performance, I thought that would be bad, but now they've done it well. What's this? That's good. Alright, next. Sorry, wrong page. New renewable energy. I'm guessing this is just gonna be everything they have. Terrible image. It's extremely blurry and it's odd. Like, look at the text, white text onto white image. That's that just isn't good. This should be black. All right. Image is good. I'm just not sure why it's cut off. Next. This is good. Text is good. Yep. Oh, nice. So they're using. I don't know if this is a lorem ipsum or lorem ipsum, the Latin thing. Looks like it. Yeah, it definitely is. I don't know. They just updated the titles and that's it. So they should update this. They haven't. Let's move on. Wait a second. Alright, there's a problem with the footer. So the navigation bar and the footer should normally be a global elements. They should never change across any website. If I go here, for some reason, I don't know what this is, but this has just appeared on this page. If I can contact us, no, it's not even on contact us. That's very weird. I'm not sure why that happened. Okay. Heating. This looks like they clearly wrote this out. Okay, good. So they do inform the user quite something. Alright, doesn't matter. I don't know what I is and some bitch. Wait a second. Alright. Wait, what am I doing? So first of all they put a very blurry image here, blue. Then another image but with a red tint. And for some reason this isn't centered. Bit odd, but alright. Keeping the northeast warm. I'm not sure, since this is a template, I'm not sure if you're able to customize everything, but this should be white. It's blending into the background. And I'm guessing this doesn't even work. No, it does. Okay, that's fine. It just transports using the teleport method. That kind of confused me, and it definitely will confuse others. Okay. ITC plumbing, yep. Computer aided softwares and so on. This is good. It's kind. How do I explain this? On the homepage. So they are repeating, and it's definitely not their fault, because it depends on the template. But the format of the sections, it's fine if you repeat it. I don't know, to be honest, and I'll need your opinions as someone, but this is just my opinion. It's fine, it doesn't do anything, it just informs properly. So what we do, take a look at this. Our services, and then renewable energy. Yep, okay. I do like the contrast here. Forgot to say that, and then it's thinner, so not every section is the same size. And well, this is good. It's good. It's kind of repeating. Format repeating. It's fine. Well, this is fine because it's just the titles. If it was kind of like just this kind of stuff repeated across every page, it wouldn't look that good. It would just look like a Wikipedia and get very boring. Okay. Not sure what kind of font this is. I don't know. A default sans serif maybe. Then we can assist with following. This is just lists, columns. This is quite good. Okay. Could add tick signs maybe. Not sure. We can assist with following. Okay, I think this is cool. Next, plumbing. Plumbing. Okay, why is it red again? I think it should be blue, just to keep up with brand identity. But I guess that's fine. And for some reason, it's still not centered, and it's blending into the background. Yeah. Alright, alright. Okay, this is what I mean. Format. It's kind of repeating now. This is fine. See? I don't know what you call this. A description title? Or a shorter form? Then the title. Paragraphs. Columns. Same thing here. Kind of gets boring. And there's no images across the website again. I mean, as well. And by that, I don't count this. This is good. It's just there should be something here. It looks kind of boring, but that's fine for now. So they do add with their own stuff. 24 hours a day, whether it's for patient, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's quite good. We assist with following. Ah, so they're adding. Wait, do they have it here? No, they don't. So wait, what? Okay. So this is what they do. Got it. Okay. Then you have this. We assist with this. We assist with this. And then we assist. Oh my goodness. No, 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 no. This is already. There's something wrong. This is way too big. And you do not need to add. How do I explain this? You do not need to add these kind of things. It sounds. How do I explain this? More desperate to the user. Our experienced, fully qualified engineers offer an extensive range of services to the commercial sector. How would you format the sentence differently? Because this is way too long. I would do something like, we offer an extensive range of services including this and this needs to go away. And yeah, and then they do the same thing here. I guess this is fine. I can read it, I can use it. Website is quite usable. Actually, I haven't tested even. Yeah, it's fine. I would need other opinions as well. Then I'm not sure what enough. This is blending in. I'm guessing this contact form works. It should. They have the correct thingies. Email. Yep, that's the same thing from the Outlook I tested. This is stuff, the contact form. This is good. It just tells what the page is. They haven't added a map location. So that's just horrendous. You either add the page, I mean this section, or just get rid of it. Okay. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm not sure if a newsletter works. I'm not going to test it, and I doubt they even care about it, especially a plumbing kind of service. Not sure what this is and what it does. What do I search? Energy. No, I don't think the search bar even does anything. If I search up plumbing, no. Okay, it just resets. Okay, so overall, this website's fine. It says what it does, what the company does, shows what they do, all the things. Talks about them, though they don't have an about us page, but they do have a section. That's something. Most websites don't even talk about themselves, or like small businesses. Here we have an extensive experience. Our projects create new income streams for our clients and the businesses and future generations. Though they do state everything they do. I just don't know why they didn't write anything here. That's a missed opportunity. And I don't know why they added this section in the first place. Mainly they do talk about how they do things. And about how great they are. So like our project create new income streams. Wait a second. Alright, I think they just copied this entire thing. Offset rising fuel bills, supporting the growth of clean energy. Oh yeah, so they just copied this and just reworded it. Okay, that's so for this page, all of this should be gone because it's useless. Next. This should get rid of, this should just not be here. This is fine, it just gets repetitive. But that's the point. I guess that's fine. If you can read this, it's fine. I'm not sure what to say anything else. I think this is good. Sorry. Yeah, nothing's wrong with this. They just say what they do. I think, yeah. Though they do say all plumbers are fully qualified. Nah, it doesn't matter. I don't know. I don't know if you're meant to show like evidence or not. You don't have to, but yeah. They also lack any policies, policy pages. Especially if they're going to be using a newsletter. And this, contact us with an email. But that's fine. I'm just gonna check something. I hope this doesn't mess up with them, but I need to test this. Okay, no, this is good. So it's an automatic kind of thing. This obviously doesn't work. Yeah, okay, I think it's fine. I tested everything. And now I'm going to move on to the next thingy. Right, here is my version. It's never going to be perfect, obviously, and I'm not going to use the images because I just don't want to be copyrighted. So such as the logo, it's not going to be the logo. Because yeah, it's just obvious copyright stuff I don't want to have. Same with images, the AI generated. So if you do see weird stuff, ignore it. Like such as the guys, I don't know what the hell he's doing. I'm not an expert in plumbing and stuff. So first of all, I have a big thingy here. Just says professional plumbing and heating services. That just follows the logos thing. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Logos, I mean the company's main staff expertise. Reliable professional service in Seaham and Sunderland with over 20 years of experience. Or you could say 2 decades, but it's best to say 20 years for now. From heating da ba da ba da ba da ba. Excellent. Then you can press this or this and it'll move you over, obviously. I also have this, a talk to. If you know what talk to is, or if you don't know what talk to is, it's just a chat help thing. So customer support, this would be a human, and you just do this and they would respond. And there will be sounds, but I'm going to shut this down if I can. Oh my goodness, please. Alright, sorry, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, just wait 2 seconds, please. Finally. Okay, moving on. Actually, not yet. I put a big image here. Well, I don't just do this myself. I use AI just to speed up things. So I have an image, then a blue tint, just to follow the brand identity. And as you can see, you already see the identity here. Look at the logo, blue and red. I think their main color is blue because I see blue here and blue here and blue here. And I also see, oh my goodness. And I see blue like here, blue, blue, blue. Then red, possibly the secondary color. So blue, this blue is primary. This red is secondary. And you can see it off the bat. It obviously promotes and reminds the user of a business and not just making them feel lost and like they're in a different kind of website. And that's a very common thing. People get confused, especially in ridiculous websites. So I added a scroll animations here. If I restart this, wait a second. Yeah, so it goes up, blah blah blah. This just says stuff. This just depends because this is what I've based off of my head and AI's help. But this will be changed, maybe this entire thing, depending if the client of this or any other client would want to change it. But that's just obvious stuff. So this is just placeholders. So ignore that. Same with the images. This stuff is not going to be here. Moving on. Why choose ICT or ITC? We offer a prompt, reliable, on service. See how short this is. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. Instead of saying, I don't know if they actually added it here. I wasn't checking that properly. But wait a second. Instead of saying this, oh my goodness. Instead of saying this massive thing with a big text, say this. 1, 2, 3 words. And then just small things. I guess it's fine to do with the opposite, so like small thing, blah blah. It just doesn't make sense, kind of. But this is way too big, too much text. This is good enough. Alright. Then I just put this kind of stuff. 20 years, trusted service, quality guaranteed. We stand da 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 da. And as you can see, there's interactivity here, because why not? Our services. Take a look. Boom. You just see this. Take a look. Alright, I'm moving on. Not sure what on earth. Well, renewable energy, heating systems, plumbing services, electrical work. And as I said, you can tell this is AI. Ignore it. This is all AI images, because, yeah, who cares anyways. So I just add this. Simple stuff. Rather than adding massive descriptions, which would just bore you to death, I just have simple checkboxes and then just simple things. Then you can click this and move on to the next page. I won't go there yet, not yet. Ready to get started. You do this. This doesn't do anything. It just moves to the contact us or redirects the user to a contact us. Contact us today for a free quote of any of our services. We're here to help. So just usual kind of descriptions things. This is the footer. This is repeated here as it should. Quick links. You can see the color being changed if you don't realize that. This is what they do. These are the pages, the main pages, and that's about it. And then the copyright thing. If they do have an Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, it'll go here. You click on it, and it'll obviously do something. But currently, I'm not going to have that anything like redirect anywhere. Alright, I'll show you the policies later. It's just simple stuff. So get free quote. You're here in the contact us page. I'm still following the brand's color, though you don't see too much red because it's obviously a secondary color. But I can change it. Get in touch. Raise site project. Contact us today. Perfect. You immediately know where you're at by just reading the first few words, and then the rest obviously blah blah. Phone. This is the. Oh sorry. This is the. I'm not sure if this is the phone number. Actually, wait. No, okay, it's not. Okay, good. So just a default phone number, but this is where the phone number will go. Email, service area, working hours. Request a free quote. This is the contact form. You can also see here a gentle, how do I call this, contrast between the two sections. Request a free quote. Okay, ignore that for now. Request a free quote. Fill out the form. You put your name in, email in, phone number, select a service, I don't know, heating systems or something. When do you need this work completed? You choose whatever, unless if you want to call now instead. You type in your stuff. Okay, wait a second. Actually, wait a second. Blah blah. Okay, so if I do want to send a message, yeah, good. So there will be, there is error handling, just like this website. Simple stuff. Okay. And yeah, you can send a message. Though this won't send anywhere, obviously. But this would obviously send to the company's email. Whatever email they use. Service area, this is where they are. This is their actual location, so in Sunderland. And yeah, they just have a map here. Instead of having this, an empty map, you have it here, working. Need emergency service. So you will see this kind of section at the end of every page, just to, oh my goodness, just to urge the user if to like contact the company if they truly want to, if they're looking through an entire website and interested, then they can do this. Blah blah. It's simple stuff. Here, so we're back in the homepage. Services. You just have the hover interaction stuff. Learn more, and then you on the renewable energy solutions. Hans blah blah blah. Get free quote. There we go. Our renewable stuff. I don't know what this is. This is just placeholder text, as I said. Icons, simple icons. Simple stuff. Just why bother add 1,000 things here? Why choose this? Blah blah blah. We do this, this, this. It does this, this, this. Advantages, disadvantages. Blah blah. Installation process. This is how the company would just work with the client. This is just stuff I could change. I could add more boxes for them or reduce. And then this again. Schedule consultation. It will go back to the contactors. Next, heating. This is going to repeat now, to be honest. I think. Sorry. Oh my goodness. 2 seconds. I haven't added a specific thing. That's why it won't work like that. Well, not yet. I'll fix it now, after this video. So you have this stuff. I'm kind of annoyed I didn't add an interactive stuff here. So this hovers over. I might add that. And then this stuff. Anything here. This is all just placeholder. This stuff may be repeated. Why choose our heating services. Simple tick boxes and so on. Then there's same here. Same stuff here. And same stuff here. It's quite repeated. But it does not get boring. In my opinion. Compared to... Oh my goodness, 2 seconds. Compared to this. Does it get boring? You see this constantly at every bottom page. I guess that's fine. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, here is the stuff, the image and red thing. Brand identity, you constantly see it across the page, just to remind the user. So like such as in these icons. Instead of having this black or white or anything, I have a blue following the brand identity. So yeah, we have this, blah blah blah. Simple stuff. This, and that's it. Simple. It took me some time. I won't say how long. And that's it. And then you can wait a second. If you press get quote, you'll be redirected to the contactors. I might add a thing where if you're at the bottom or mid page, that if you press it on another page, it will transport you to the top. Because I do find it kind of annoying that I'm like at the bottom here and I'm instantly at the bottom here. Kind of bad. I didn't think about that, but I will fix that if I care enough to, or if the client wants it. This is just a demo website, anyways. I need to remind you guys that this is just a demo website of how I would make this entire website better. That's it. Lastly, I'm gonna show you this privacy policy, just this stuff. Anything blah blah blah. Contact, select, and you would press other. Though I do think when do you need this work completed? Unless I hope I did add. Yeah, okay. So you don't have to how do I say this? You don't have to press this, because if you're gonna be just interested in anything, just to contact the business, not want any work to be done, you don't have to select this. Though I think I should add another thing. So such as just contact, just interested or something like that, an option like that. Send it. Oh my goodness! Wait a second. Blah 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 blah. Dad. Fa fa fa. This will send. All right. Terms of service, same thing. You also see the red hover, and then you contact them again. Let me just. So I did a blue hover here, and a red hover there. I'm not sure why I did that. But as I said, this is just a thingy, a demo website. So compare this, where the hero section is cut off, I think, or it's just right at the edge. Yeah, it's right at the edge. So the entire hero section should not commonly fill the entire screen unless if it's a different kind of website, such as a gaming one. Because gaming websites love to have massive things on their websites. This looks professional enough. Simple. You scroll down, and then you have all the information you need. If you want, you can give me your opinion. People will definitely give me opinions. That's fine. I'm only doing this to advertise myself for the reasons, and just to show off my work. Oh right, I forgot. I forgot to do the about us. So this is just about them. Simple stuff. Their values. The expert team. Instead of having logos here, I mean icons, there will be images of people. But obviously this is placeholder text. And that's it. Ta-da. That's all I have to show. So compare this website, IT Plumbing. That's it. And just looking at all this website is exactly how I would make it better. So revived makeover. Yeah, I'm not exactly an expert at talking, but if you understood me, then that's great. If you didn't, just deal with it, I guess. You can check out the website. So this website, itcplumbing.co.uk, and then my website, my makeover website, itc-revived-makeover.netlify.app. And yeah, that's it. Ta-da. Yeah, I'm gonna end this now. See ya. Bye.